Creating and using a funnel.
All right, so this is another big piece of marketing, guys, that we teach in the course, in the 10X course, and we talk a lot about. But it's kind of like your website. You want it to be high converting, but a website in and itself is kind of distracting because there's all these things going on. There's videos, there's pages you can read, and blogs you can read. So instead, what we do when we're marketing, especially off of our website, we're bringing people from other websites, Facebook, or generating leads on other sources. You want to get them to a page where they take one action. There's nothing else they can do. They can't click over here and get lost and get distracted. There's one thing to do, and that is enter their name and email, and then you'll follow up with them. Then you'll call them. I think ours is name, email, and phone number. But from there, it's you're not asking for a bunch of information up front. We used to do it the opposite way, where we had like 10 questions.
Yeah, 20 questions or whatever.
What's your square footage and what's this? No, don't do that. Just get their info. Get them in a funnel where you immediately capture their info. Then the next thing is schedule your estimate, and now we have their info, so we can follow up with them, send them educational emails, send them things that build trust, send them things that show them how we do stuff, so that they're like almost ready to go by the time you talk to them to schedule their clean. They're like, I'm sold. I want to. How do I sign up? You know. So
yeah.
That's really the funnel.
I like it.
Yeah, we go way more in depth. There's a lot more to it, guys, but we go on that into depth on the course.
There's literally a whole course for that, so don't worry about this little blurb.